Tired of drowning in data? Let's learn how to group data in Looker Studio and turn the chaos into clear insights. First, open your Looker Studio report and select the table or chart you want to work with. We'll be focusing on grouping within the data itself, creating custom segments to reveal hidden patterns. Next, in the Properties panel on the right, find the Add a Dimension button, click it, and choose Create Field. Now, this is where the magic happens. Give your new field a descriptive name. Like customer segment, we'll use a case statement to define our groups. For example, case when revenue greater than 1,000, then high value when revenue greater than 500, then medium value, else low value. And make sure to select the appropriate data type for your new field. In this case, since we are grouping customer segments, we will choose text. This ensures that the group data is displayed correctly. Click Save, and that's it. Your new customer segment dimension will now appear in your list of available fields. Simply drag it into your chart as a dimension to see your data grouped. You can use this technique for all sorts of grouping: sales by region, customer demographics, product categories. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different formulas and conditions to create the segments that best fit your analytical needs. Grouping data makes your reports cleaner, your dashboards more intuitive, and your insights far more powerful. Start grouping today and unlock the true potential of your data.